Fuck yeah. Hey, oh, fuck. Okay. Coffee went down the wrong pipe. Hey, everyone. And welcome back to another episode of Spark on stateful sets and sort of miscellaneous crap. Um, so yeah, we're gonna take a look at sort of where the PR is. And I'm also if it's at a point where it's like kind of working, I'm gonna get started trying to backport it to Spark 2.4. And this isn't going to be something that lands in open source, because as a general rule, we don't backport features, and especially 2.4 is end of life. Um, but it turns out in practice, a lot of people aren't able to upgrade to Spark 3 as quickly as we might hope for in the open source world. And often those people are the people who pay my salary. So we're going to work on that, because I like money, and as much as I also want to work on tools to help people upgrade to new versions of Spark, which is totally on my list of things to do. Um, yeah. Uh, yeah. Um, I was saying something, but I forgot what it was. So let's just get started. Terminal. Do do do. Okay. Okay. So. Oh, that's the fan out read thing. Oh, cool. Oh, actually, there's some comments on my iceberg Python PR, so I'm gonna actually address that really quickly, just because. Huh. Uh, yeah, I guess. Uh, um, yeah. Uh, I don't have strong views here either. Uh, oh yeah. Um, so okay. Uh, I don't have strong views here either. My only consideration with changing it to hmm, would be if we ever change this from wrapping would break, but catch it. Um, yeah. Okay, so this one here, sure. Uh, I don't see why not. Sure. That sounds like a reasonable suggestion. So I'll go ahead and I'll add this to the SQL parser. So let's go ahead. We're going to do that, and that's going to be over in Iceberg repo, specifically. Oh, fuck. Um, cool. that just got into a weird state. Okay, so then let's go find starts with. Um, cool. Cool. And then so let's go ahead and we'll do that one really quickly because that's a relatively small change. The expression parser. Cool. Okay, that's awesome. Cool. Yeah. Cool. And so then, oh, cool. Okay, wait, no, this is something else. Also legit. Okay, stateful sets, yeah. This is the PR, the main one that I've been working on for a while. This is the one which we want to make sure it's in a good state. So let's figure out which test failed. Okay, that's certainly interesting. Oh, wanted but not invoked, labeled pods.delete. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend suite. Okay. So that actually does look like maybe a real issue. So let's go ahead and deal with that. I think at the very least. Oh no. I don't want to close that terminal. Okay, cool. So Kubernetes test. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So it does look like I inadvertently broke the Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend suite. Let's dig it. Yeah.
Is this the new phone?
Yeah.
Oh, it's two of the same phone.
Yeah. I was thinking about waiting, but then I have to go on call next month, and I was just like, oh, fuck that shit. Okay, so Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend.scala. Yeehaw. Okay. Oh. Okay, so actually, oh, we want the backend suite, yeah. Kubernetes. Damn it. Okay. So this is line 153. Let's go take a look. 153. Verify label pods dot delete. So um yeah, we should be calling, I think, okay, let's take a look at labeled pods. Labeled pods gets returned. Oh yeah, okay. There's the okay. Okay, executor pods allocator. So pod allocator. So the pod allocator is a mock. So what we need to do is really verify that we stop the pod allocator. We have a pod allocator backend. So pod. Okay, executor pods allocator suite. Okay, yeah, so we should definitely test stop inside of this as well. Okay. Okay. Uh, Verify stopping deletes the labeled pods. Okay. Labeled pods. Okay. So what we would do here, oh hey, oh, hi Walker, hi Shiva. Sorry, I missed the messages because I was just in my like brain headspace. So what do? We look at the uh yeah. So this returns pod operations. So I guess when Spark role label, so we'll grab that. So there we go. Verify. Wait, what's the labeled pods? Okay, so that's huh. Hmm. So I think I'll do this. I think. Um, I think we'll return labeled pods here. And then we'll verify labeled pods dot delete. And so what we'll do here is instead of our executor pods allocator suite, pods allocator under test. Dot stop. Okay, we'll call that stop. Cool. Let's run Kubernetes test. Oh, yeah, okay. And it's also going to be inside of the backend suite on line 153. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend suite.scala. Okay. So we fixed the Kubernetes allocator suite. Now we need to fix the executor pods allocator suite change. Cool, which most likely is the new change that we added it. Argument passed to verify is of type Boolean and not a mock. Labeled pods is a Boolean? Oh. I gotta move the delete out front. There we go. There we go. Fuck yeah. Okay. So what are we gonna do? Okay. Delete. So. Get commit dash m. We do the deletion of the pods inside of the executor pods allocator now because the method of doing the delete can change. Change the tests to validate the stop is called, and then validate the stop in EPAS. Cool. So there we go. Do like a push, and then hopefully that's a party. So, okay. Hopefully that fixes that. I think we're at the point where I'm comfortable starting to try and backport it. And so to do that, what I'm actually going to do here is git checkout-b squish. And there's a lot of commits here. Oh, okay. So what I'm gonna do, oh, more than 30. Okay. 40? Cool. We're gonna squish these all down to one commit, because then it's gonna make it easier for me to backport. Because like I don't really care about keeping the development history in my backport. Okay, cool. Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I remember I had a branch where I backported a bunch of shit to 2.4. And I remember that I raised a pull request for it and then closed it. So I'm gonna go look at my closed pull requests and yep, cool. We are gonna take this branch, which is backport DADS to 2.4, because this already picks up a bunch of the changes that I'm gonna need. And we can see I was going in for surgery based on these commits here. Then what we'll do is git checkout-b DADS to 2.4 with replica sets. Cool. And then git log. Git cherry pick. Fuck yeah. And whoa. Huh. Let's take a look. Well, okay. Git cherry pick dash dash abort. Okay, cool. And so we see a shit ton of conflicts, and this is what we expect. This is the joys of life, and actually we're gonna have to do a big, and that's because we are switching back to Scala. We're switching back to a much older version of Spark, 2.4. Oh yeah. Hmm. Uh, oh, fucking hell. Okay, well, now begins the part where this is what people pay me money for. I mean, they pay me money for all of it, but, like, this part is especially less fun. Okay. Oh. So, yeehaw. Um... Okay. Think. Yeah, so a lot of these are just going to be. Yeah. I guess we delete the labeled config maps. Okay. I don't think we do, though, actually. That's my guess. Okay. Uh, hmm. Um, yeah, so the biggest change that like essentially is causing these conflicts is that 3.0 or 3.1 introduced this concept of resource profiles. And so there's a bunch of shit where like essentially I just have to stare at stuff for a hot second and be like, yeah, okay, that's just a resource profile difference, or like, oh, there's actually a difference here. Actually, let's go ahead, Control X1. Oh, fuck my hand. Yeah. Okay. Uh, this is a lot of shit. These are a lot of tests that we are just gonna drop. So this is kind of a guess. I am doing my best. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay. Um. Oh yeah. So I actually do want the DFS. Um. And mini read write because those are the ones that we use to validate the PVC stuff. Um. Okay. Basic executor feature step. Okay. Um, yeah, configuring the pod, that should be fine. We shouldn't need to bring over any particular changes. Oh, I do need the change in executor M. Fuck. Okay. Um, shit. Okay. So I'm gonna grab the executor M part. Or what did I change in the executor M? Oh, actually, wait. I don't care about resource profile IDs any because of the backport. Okay, let me double check here. Okay. Yeah, fine. driver cores, memory, app ID, conf.dirt, exec ID, RPI we don't have. Pod IP. Oh, pod name. That's the one that I need. That is the one that I need. So we'll just go ahead and grab this. Okay. Yeah. And then okay. That looks right. Okay, cool. So that's the one thing that I need to bring over from this chunk of conflicts, from what I remember. Would not be surprised if I find out there's other things that I need to bring over, but you know, hey. YOLO. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, okay. Ah, that's the other thing that I gotta bring over here. It is the policy. Oh, Professor! Professor Soros! Oh. Professor Soros is very busy with his professorial work. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, what? I have to sign a thing? God damn it. Okay. Whatever. Hmm. Okay, cool. My brain is. Brain. Oh, God. Oh, yeah, okay, the policy. Okay. So I think what I need to do is I need to move this policy statement up here. Yeah, yeehaw. And then okay, this is fucking hell. Okay, this is a little bit confusing, but I think we're gonna make it make sense. And so this one we're going to bring over. The rest of it I give no shits about. Okay, I think that's the basic executor feature step merge magic. Okay. No, I'm okay. Thank you, bigfollows.com, for your exciting limited time offer, I'm sure. Okay. What else do we have to merge? The executor pods allocator. Oh, yeah, this part's gonna suck. Okay. Oh, hello, Professor. Oh, hello, Professor. No, I do not get a Professorsaurus. I do not get a Professorsaurus. Aww. Fair.
They stopped barking before I could convince him to come inside, so he doesn't know that he would bark.
Hmm. Okay, cool. So I did get a comment on the PR from Dongjun. And this is around the broadcast blocks thing that we'd been talking about. And namely, this is whether, essentially, like how we should handle the fact that there might be on-disk blocks. Um, and so I came up with like 3 options about how to do it. Number 1 was like, we could do this read fall through thing, but like that's going to be tricky, and I'd rather do that somewhere else. Number 2 is ignore existing files when putting a broadcast block and just do a hard write regardless. And number 3 is on startup in the shell script for the Docker file, clean up the contents of the disk block location. And Dongjun says he wants number 3. And that's totally legit. I think that's great, and I think I'll do that. But I'm not going to bother backporting that change. Just because, like, yeah. And I'm in the middle of backporting, and although I am going to probably wrap up in like 15 minutes, backporting kind of sucks because you have to have like all of the state in your mind, and it's just like super annoying. Executor pods allocator dot scala. Oh, alright. Yeehaw. So, that's the thing here. So, main thing that we're gonna do here is this is just gonna become a total type int. And then hmm. Yeehaw. Huh. I think that's gonna do the trick. Okay. care about this part at all. Like this is important, complicated logic, but also for the purposes that I'm doing this, like we're not backporting all of the PVC logic. You just can't backport all of the Kubernetes changes. That's just not realistic. So Kubernetes cluster manager.scala. Okay. So this is the part that we're going to keep. Wait, what? Okay. Executor pod, lifecycle event handler. And then our executor pod. Whatever. SEConf. Oh, there's no security manager. Snapshot store, system clock. Okay. So the main thing here is get rid of the security manager, get rid of the security manager, and yeehaw. Okay. Cool. Wait, what's it saying? No. Okay, cool. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend.scala. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I guess. We're just gonna always call pod allocator.stop. I think here, yeah. That's the plan. And here, Okay. Cool. And then, okay, basic executor feature step. Oop. Wait, what? Oh, basic executor feature step. Suite.scala. Okay. And so, yeah, what I'm going to do is we'll move that up, that here, and then go. Okay. Okay. Entry point.sh. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is some janky magic, and it is janky magic that I actually do need. Shell script. Okay, and then Kubernetes suite.scala, it's an integration test. Cool. So this is probably going to fail, right? And that is okay. And by fail, I mean, like, I think it's going to fail to compile. But, oh, yeah. SBT grep Kubernetes Oh no. Here we go. Yeah. That's a sketchy thing that I want to do. Okay, cool. Clean, compile, test, compile, test. I don't think we're going to get anywhere near being able to run the tests, but just in case, we might as well. Okay, cool. So executor pods allocator. So we're failing on the Devlin Scala. Oh wait, what? Oh god damn it. Okay. Executor pods allocator though. Let's go take a look at that. Executor pods allocator. Okay. Oh. Why do I have beeping sounds? Oh. Mm. Um. Oh. So this is a note. So it's okay. It's used here for uh it's used here since the allocation path is, I think, actually, what do I do with that? Okay, let's go up to files change. So this is great. Dungeon's reviewing it. That's a really good sign. But it also means that I have to like figure out what's going on. Oh yeah, okay. So I actually do use this in this PR. It's so that we can tell the difference between which resource profile a stateful set's pods belong to. Yeah, it's done. Yeah. It's done with in add to match labels. Okay. Um, yeah. Cool. Yeah. What happens if the assumption is broken? Yeah. If the assumption, so if a pod is created without an exec label, and the pod name doesn't let us infer the exec ID, we'll just throw an exception. And I'll just throw an exception since there is not a way I could think of to recover gracefully. Sure. Spark exception sounds reasonable, 100%. What else is there? good. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay, so this is the part where I screwed up. And I think what it is we've got two definitions of on new snapshots. So I think I just want to do this one, and I think that'll do the trick, as it were. Uh, mm, ooh, mhm, mhm. Okay, that looks like kind of reasonable-ish, I think. Do what? Oh, oh, I gotta send this to Carolyn. Carolyn! Damn it. To subscribe for 6 months to get the cute toys for Timbit, which is a lot of money. Okay, whatever. That's fine. Okay. What? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Because I'm building with JDK 11. That's not going to be a success. Damn it. RM. Uh, which Java. Java. Yep. Export pipe grab Java underscore home. Okay. Export Java underscore home is equal to, and it's going to be the Java 8 OpenJDK. And that's because we're building with Spark 2.4 doesn't support JDK 11. And so that's part of why I think there might be some import errors. Okay. Cool beans, cool beans. Okay, now I need to, there we go. Cool. Um, okay, okay. Uh, that's good, that's good. That's good, that's good. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's looking better, I think. It's still gonna fail though, for sure, because uh, and I say this abstract. I think it's gonna fail for sure. Yeah. So for one thing, um, this needs to be a total of type int. Um, and then okay, def start. Okay. Um, okay. Cool. So then there's now going to be the stateful set pods allocator, which I know we're going to have to update to set total. And instead, this is going to be total of type int. Okay, cool. Um, and then set target executors replica set, no resource profile ID. Um, application ID. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. Profile. Okay, yeah, we don't care about resource profiles. Resource profile. Hmm. And then application ID. Okay, yeehaw. Uh, cool, cool, cool. Uh, okay, cool. Okay, cool. Uh, okay. Alexa, snooze. Okay. Okay, cool. So, a few things here. Okay, config builder, not really a thing back, or I mean, the dot version was not a thing. That's fine. With restart policy. Shit. Um, that's not good. Uh, Restart. Hmm. Fabric 8 with restart policy. We might just bump the version if. Okay. Okay, this is version 1, which I'm pretty sure we're well beyond. Let's go take a look at basic executor feature step. Line 208. Okay. So this is the pod builder. Okay. Fabric 8 pod builder. Okay. Oh yeah, it's inside of spec, I think. Wait. That doesn't make sense because this used to have a with restart policy anyways. Hmm. Okay, I would like to see. Oh yeah, okay. So this is what we're missing here. Drop that off by mistake. So that's right above. There we go. Do we have a host name? Okay. And uh, I think what I need to do is end metadata. Okay. Cool. I dig it. Let's give that a shot. Okay. Executor pods allocator, non-outstanding pods. Okay. Allocator.scala. Yeah. Okay. Abstract pods allocator. Don't need resource profiles anymore. One thing, they don't exist. Oh, okay. And stateful set pod allocator. Okay. We don't have a security manager anymore. Oh, and also probably no resource profile, also no add owner reference. Um, I do kind of want to copy over add owner reference. But okay, we're getting there. Oh, but we're certainly not done. And I've got a meeting at noon, so I'm gonna wrap it up for now. Oh, okay, yeah. Let's do this. Okay. Uh, okay, cool. Um, Progress, I would say. We're down to like a relatively uh it's weird that there's this error in log query. Dot lines. As Scala. Uh, don't get it, but we can fix that pretty easily. Okay, so stateful set pods allocator. Okay, I'm actually gonna wrap up for real because meeting missed it yesterday and I rescheduled it, so I should actually show up to this one. So thanks everyone for joining me. I'll be back probably this afternoon, doing more of the buttons, which is probably I'm gonna keep working on backporting this and also answering any CR feedback from Dongjun on the PR. And I'm really, really stoked that Dongjun's taking the time to review it. It's super rad. It's always great when someone who already has a bunch of context, like Dongjun, because he's done a lot of Spark on Kubernetes stuff, is available to review my Spark on Kubernetes stuff. So thanks everyone, and I'll see you later.